So, what are the factors affecting Igbos in River State? Most of us say that we are not Igbo. Is this right or wrong?
And it's simple now. It's a choice. It's a choice of people. Because a man can come out now and say, I don't want to be an Igbo man. Nobody will force him and say, you must be an Igbo man. Nobody can force him. It does not happen anywhere. It's not by force.
There is nothing like choice. There is nothing like choice. So long as your family lineage, your generational lineage is from Igbo, you are an Igbo, and there is nothing you can do about it. So you want to tell me that if an Hausa man leave his land and come here, saying that he wants to become an Igbo man, automatically he's an Igbo man.
Wait, you want to tell me that if I say now that I'm a Muslim, so people will force me to become a Christian. It does not happen anywhere now. It's my choice. I want to become a Muslim, but it's not by force to be a Christian.
Let me tell you, it is not by choice. There are some things that you cannot decide for yourself as you are like this. And number one of those things are your parents. You cannot choose who your parents are going to be. And number two, your lineage. You cannot choose what lineage you are going to come from, what family you are going to come from. But you can choose any other thing in your life. You cannot choose those two particular things. You cannot choose.
So as you are like this now, you don't know that your father can disown you. Your father can disown you, so you don't know.
Even though my father disowns me, I know that automatically I have his blood running through my veins. And I am still his child, even though he disowns me.
You lie. Did you hear me? I said you lie. Oh, you don't know that your father can go and bring another child. Say, I disown you, and you are gone forever. You are gone. That child your father has brought, he will go and sign with the lawyer. Sign the documents there. That child automatically becomes
Lies. So long as that child has the blood of another man running through his vein, that child automatically is not his child. Even though he signs the documents with the lawyers, that child is not his child.
I know you don't know law.
You are the one that don't know law.
I know you don't know law. So
Go and meet your lawyer.
You don't know law.